In this video, we'll look at how to send a bulk SMS from a list view. So in order to demonstrate this, let's go to our Contact tab and we'll select the All Contacts list view. From here, I'm just going to select all 8 of my contacts, and then I'm going to select the Send Bulk SMS button. Depending on where your system admin has configured the Send Bulk button, you might see it here, or it could be underneath the drop-down menu. So when I select the Send Bulk SMS button, I'll be brought to a page where I can actually send my bulk text. So on the bulk text page, a couple things I'll point out. On the top right hand section here, I see Bulk SMS for contacts. That tells me I'm texting contacts. It tells me that I have 8 recipients, and it shows me my current message balance. Now, all I need to do on this page is select the phone number I want to text from, select the default phone field that I want to text to. So if I open this drop down, it shows me all the phone numbers, phone fields that exist on the contact object. And it tells me of my 8 recipients, how many have a blank field. So in this case, if I choose the mobile field, I can see that I have 1 contact with a blank mobile phone. But let's go ahead and select that anyway. So now that I've selected my from and to fields, I'm going to send a template. So I'll choose my template selector, and this will pull up a list of all my contact templates. And I'm just going to select this demo template. And you can see it drops in my merge fields, and this is the template I want to send. It also shows me that based on the length of this message, it will only count for 1 message because it is less than 160 characters. So if I click preview, now I can actually see the data. So on the left hand side, I'll see a list of all the contacts that I'm going to text. In the second column that says phone, this shows me the actual phone number where I'll be sending the text. And if you recall from the previous screen, we had 1 contact that was missing a mobile field. So I can actually sort by this column and find my 1 record that has a blank field. And if this person happens to have a phone number in a different field, I'll be able to select that. So in this case, I can go ahead and select this phone field, and it will add that phone number into my list. So now I can see my contacts, I can see the phone number that I'm going to text, and I can see which field from the contact record that number is being pulled from. I can also now spot check my messages. So because we're using a template that's merging in data, I want to just click the preview button on each of these rows, or just at least a few of these rows, to be sure that my template is correct and it's showing the correct data. And as I can see here, all of these messages appear to be correct. So at this point, if I want to go ahead and send this text immediately, I would click the Send Now button. If I want to schedule this text for a later date, I can click Schedule Later. And then from here, I can just simply select a date and a time of my choosing and click Schedule. Okay, so this has been an overview of how to send a bulk message from a list view.